Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to make money from home? Good news! You don't need an office, a commute, or even a fancy setup to start earning online. In today's digital age, making money online has become one of the most popular and beginner-friendly ways to build income. With just a computer and a stable internet connection, you can start earning real money without ever leaving your house. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone simply looking for extra income, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. From freelancing and online selling to passive income streams and small digital side hustles, the online world offers flexible options that fit your lifestyle. You can literally earn money in your pajamas. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into how to make money online for beginners. This guide will walk you through simple, practical, and realistic ways to start earning online today. Let's get started. Understanding the digital world. Essential basics. The digital world is constantly growing and changing, and understanding the basics is the first step for anyone who wants to make money online. Whether you're completely new or already familiar with online platforms, knowing how the online earning landscape works gives you confidence and direction. Making money from home starts with exploring the different opportunities available. The internet is full of options: freelancing, online surveys, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. The best part is that you can choose a path that matches your skills, interests, and lifestyle. That's what makes online income so beginner-friendly and flexible. One important concept you'll hear often is passive income. This refers to earning money continuously with minimal effort, like through affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or downloadable products. Understanding how passive income works helps you build long-term earning systems that grow even while you sleep. Online platforms and marketplaces are also essential in the digital world. Whether you're using Shopify, Upwork, Etsy, or Fiverr, these platforms connect buyers and sellers and make transactions easy. Learning to navigate these spaces will help you boost your visibility and grow your income more effectively. And of course, staying updated with digital trends is key. New tools, skills, and online opportunities appear every year. The more you adapt and keep learning, the more competitive you become in the online earning world. Profitable online ventures for beginners. If you're ready to explore real ways to earn money online, there are several beginner-friendly opportunities you can start today. Freelancing is one of the most popular options. If you have skills like writing, design, video editing, or programming, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find paying clients. You get to choose your projects, set your rates, and work on your own schedule. Affiliate marketing is another profitable choice. By promoting products you believe in, you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok, or even social media posts. Once your content gains traction, affiliate marketing can become a steady source of passive income. If you're creative, selling digital products can be incredibly rewarding. You can create ebooks, templates, courses, stock photos, or graphics and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Teachable, or Shutterstock. Digital products have high profit margins and don't require inventory, making them perfect for beginners. You can also start your own online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy allow you to sell anything, from handmade items to trending products through dropshipping. With the right niche and marketing strategy, your online store can turn into a full-time income source. Tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. To make the most out of your online income journey, you need strategy and consistency. Diversify your income streams so you're not relying on just one source. Try combining freelancing, affiliate marketing, and digital products for more stability and faster growth. Invest in self-education. Learn new skills, follow digital trends, and stay updated with industry tools to keep improving your earning potential. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional website, publish valuable content, and optimize your social media profiles to attract clients and customers. Network with others in your niche. Join communities, collaborate with creators, and connect with fellow entrepreneurs. Networking often leads to new partnerships and opportunities. Master time management. Set goals, plan your schedule, and stay focused. Good time management helps you work efficiently and earn more in less time. Always evaluate your progress. Monitor what's working and adjust your strategy when needed. The online world changes fast. Adaptation is the key to long-term success. How to stay safe in the world of online earning. With every opportunity comes risk, so staying safe online is essential. Watch out for scams. Avoid offers that seem too good to be true and never pay up front for a job or opportunity. Research every platform and client before working with them. Protect your personal information. Use strong passwords, avoid sharing sensitive data, and be cautious of phishing emails and suspicious messages. Stay updated on cybersecurity practices. Keep your devices, software, and antivirus tools updated to protect yourself from threats. Stick to reputable platforms. Whether you're freelancing, selling products, or doing affiliate marketing, choose trusted websites with secure systems. Trust your instincts. If something feels unsafe or unprofessional, walk away. Your safety matters more than any potential earning opportunity. Converting your digital dime into real-life cash. Once you begin earning online, the next step is withdrawing your hard-earned money and turning it into real cash. Choose the payment method that works best for you: PayPal, direct bank transfer, digital wallets, or even cryptocurrency, depending on the platform. Most online platforms have a simple payout process. Just go to the withdrawal section, enter your details, and submit your request. Processing may take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Once the money arrives in your account, you can either keep it for online transactions or transfer it to your bank. Withdraw whenever you need it, whether to cover bills, save, or treat yourself. Always check fees, processing times, and platform policies before withdrawing so you know exactly what to expect. Success stories. Real-life experiences of first-time online entrepreneurs. Real people are earning real money online, and their stories can inspire your journey. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, turned her baking hobby into a booming online business by posting her cakes on social media. Orders started coming in, and she now runs a thriving home-based bakery. Mark, a self-taught graphic designer, learned through free online tutorials and began freelancing on Upwork. His dedication helped him land global clients and build a steady full-time income from home. Lily, a personal trainer, started offering online fitness coaching. By sharing valuable content and customized programs, she built a growing client base and expanded her business into courses and virtual challenges. Each of them started as beginners, just like you. With consistency and passion, they turned online opportunities into long-term income. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides.